Well, this is a very sad day. I'm standing here on April Fool's Day, but this is no joke. They're actually tearing down Yankee Stadium. And for any baseball fan, for any Yankee fan especially, this is a sad day. Sure, we have a beautiful stadium and we celebrate their new championship, but it's sad to see the cathedral of baseball go down. If you look, it's all going down. And so, like so many other fans, we're happy for the new stadium, we're happy for the new championship. Very sad. Great memories. It's a sad day to see it go down.
Here we have the tearing down, the demolition of the old Yankee Stadium. The house that Ruth built and everybody else tore down. And of course, there's sadness when you see this palace go down, the cathedral of baseball, as we have all known it for so many years. And across the street, the new Yankee Stadium. One World Championship here. 26 over here.